back, and the first thing I want to do is just take some black fondant, and I'm going to cover up all this metal that's showing. That way it's not going to be, you know, we're going to put other things on here, playing cards and things, but if I put the black on there, you're going to be less likely to see that. So I'm going to put it here, in here, and I'm also going to put some down on this pipe down here. So to do this, I'll just take a little bit of water. Do this one right here so you can see it. Alright, so I'm just going to place some water on the pipe and a little bit here on this fondant below it. Just take a little piece of black fondant like that and just start to push it on. This will also help secure it from this one from moving at all. That's pretty much it, so I'll go ahead and do the rest of them. So now I want to go ahead and put some of the dots on the dies here. And I'm just going to use a round cutter like this. And I'm going to use the black dots. A lot of times the dice in Vegas, I guess, have white dots. But just for what I'm doing, I want to do black. So all I have to do is cut these out. And it's always a good idea, you know, look at that, the styrofoam that we covered. If you have to cover anything up, that's how I determine, you know, what's going to have, like this one's pretty messy right here. I want to make sure there's one in this corner here. So maybe this would be a good one to put 6 on. You know, if there's one side that looks really good, put the 1 on that. So just a little bit of water. Okay, so I have 6 here, 3 up here, 4 here, 1. You can actually get one of the actual die and actually look where these dots go, you know, versus the sides. But I'm just putting them wherever I need to cover things up. So I do, once I put it on there, if there's any cornstarch around the edge, you can just take the brush and just kind of wipe that cornstarch off.